I never wanted to make you feel alone. I never wanted to leave you on your own. But if you look up sometimes, just might run.
Today is the day we put something back in this garage. That's right, you guys. Today is the day we go head up to Swindell and get the BMW. Now, to hook some stuff up on the trailer, and I've got to change myself into tow tune, and then we'll be ready to roll. But I'm excited. I know you guys are excited. This is gonna be a pretty sick video. So for those of you, if you don't know, this is actually my grandma's one owner 1987 BMW E30 325i, and today we're getting it back from the shop. I'm actually super excited about this because there's a few things we did, a little extra things we did that I haven't told you guys yet, and I'm kind of excited to get it back and look at it and just like, oh, I'm ready to clean it up too. I'm ready to wash it. We're gonna wash it in this video. We're gonna make it look shiny, and hopefully we'll get it street legal today too. So I gotta call and get insurance on it. I'm really excited to get this car back, guys. I bet you can tell through the video of how excited, and the truck's been doing great today so far. I'm super actually happy with it. Now, if you guys remember the last E30 video, the shop is right here through these woods right here, and we're gonna hop out and go get the truck. I'm gonna switch to my phone just because it'll be a little easier to film in there inside. So stay tuned and let's go see this E30. He's got some really nice cars out here. Look at this one. Ooh, those wheels are awesome. Let's see where she's at. Where's she at? Where's she at? I don't see it yet. Oh, I see it. I see it. It's right there. It's right there. Dude has so many BMWs. It's crazy. Oh yeah.
But no, I mean, it pretty much turned out exactly the way it's supposed to from the factory.
All right, sweet. It rides good. Rides a lot better than it did before.
But yeah, the brakes feel fine. I mean, it's not like going down autocrossing or anything.
Oh yeah, no.
It was just dumb luck, actually. I bought a 5-speed 4-door to refurbish for myself to drive the kids around. Yeah. Well, it was a 4-door 5-speed. So we basically pulled it inside the shop and took everything off of it. Oh, engine, transmission, pedals, shifter. Goodness. So, but I didn't have a new boot. But that
looks fine, yeah. Here's the old engine. Yeah. Jeez. Oh man, see right here. Oh my goodness.
The threaded collar, that was supposed to be in this too.
Oh my goodness. All right, well, she's running. Looking a little bit better on the gap side of things. It's got full-blown track suspension now. So we might have to take it to an autocross event, but she's running good. Listen to that purr. Dang, we gotta get a straight pipe under this thing ASAP. Well, let's load it into the trailer and get going. Well, closing it up. And we're all good to go. Time to take her home. So while we're driving back home, I did want to talk to you guys because I was looking for the title in the glove box. My dad still has it though, apparently. But I got a friend coming up this weekend and we're gonna get into some fun stuff over the weekend. But I did see some really cool stuff that you guys will probably like to see. I've got the original owner's manual, a whole pamphlet, and a whole lot of other cool pieces of paper that you guys would probably like to see. We'll go through it. The interior definitely needs some work. We're gonna have to go home. We're gonna pressure wash it. We're gonna see what we can do to revive the paint. For now, it has been sitting a while, so the paint is kind of rough. But we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna foam cannon it, and we're gonna clean up and vacuum the interior. And I did realize that we do have a few pieces missing on the inside, just from over the years of sitting and deteriorating. It's just kind of falling apart. But that's half of it. We're gonna restore this thing and make it really pretty. And then once we get done with all that, we'll sit down and we'll talk about some plans I have for it. Woo! We've made it back. Dude, this thing is a beast. Ran perfectly. No hiccups pulling it at all. The truck's like doing pretty good. Look at this freaking rig, dude. It's insane. Look at this thing. Freaking got a little bit of lean to it, but not too bad. It looks a little more drastic on camera, but I promise it's not bad. The trailer's actually pretty level. Let's get in here and let's get this BMW out because it needs to be sitting so pretty up in the driveway right there for us to wash it later. Let's go, it looks so good. I gotta clean these wheels up and get this thing washed up just so it looks a little bit better. But before we clean this, I'm gonna go over to Chris's house and drop off this trailer. Oh, well. Ooh, look at them lights. Looks so good. Let's open this up. Now, the next step for the BMW is that it really needs to wash. Like, really needs a wash. So before we pull this thing out, let's look at some of these files here. All right, so we got some cool stuff here. Here's the receipt for the swap and everything like that. I'll leave that up there. But look at all these cool pamphlets and stuff like that. I got an accessories booklet, like from the 80s. Like, look at all these carpets and stuff. Oh, dude, you could add a rear spoiler. Dude, this is so sick. So this is one of my booklets. And then it has, for some reason, there's a service from 86 and the 87 consumer warranty information. So I'm wondering if they just use some of the manuals from 86 for these. But like, here's the owner's handbook. I mean, just some really cool stuff and everything. So it was really cool that I found all this in the glove box. I gotta fix the glove box. But before I do anything interior, I think I'm gonna wash the exterior. Or maybe I should clean the interior first. Let's vacuum out the interior, get it cleaned out, and get it ready for the weekend and driving it around. Just like that, we're looking a little cleaner. I got some trash I found in between the seats and stuff. Definitely gonna need a shampoo, but I'm gonna wipe these seats down real quick, vacuum a little bit more behind the seat because this seat actually folds up. That seat's actually, I think, stuck. So we gotta find another like seat mechanism, or like maybe put like a bride seat or something in there, kind of like a race seat. Gonna do an aftermarket steering wheel eventually. I'm gonna wipe down this leather and then get back. And I think we're about to pull it outside after I get this done. Now, I'm not a pro detailer by any means, and I'm gonna get somebody to actually pro detail this thing or come over. I got my buddy Zach or my buddy Bryson that are just gonna treat this thing right. But I'm by no means a professional detailer, and I wish I had more products. But if you guys know a hookup with griots or Adams polishes or any kind of like cleaners for cars, let your boy know. McGuire's contacts, let me know, because I wanna get in contact with them because I gotta keep this thing clean once I make it really nice. Holy crap, just by wiping this thing down and vacuuming it out, it looks so much better. I'll put it in a picture, but I left the seat dirty right here and clean that one. And like the difference is crazy. I'll show you guys. But it's now time to figure out how to put the top up and then get this thing outside and get it foam canned and washed off because it is nasty. Let me show you guys a few before shots before we get into washing it. Now, while I won't be able to get all of that off today, I know I won't. It's gonna need a full paint correction, a full sealant coat. It's gonna need the best of the best. But I won't probably do that until I go to wrap it, which will be in the future sometime. You guys gotta wait for that. But that is in the plans, is to wrap this car. Not gonna give any colors away. Not gonna give any too big of reveal colors away. So, you guys are ready? I'm ready. Let's get into washing this thing. Well guys, here it is. It is as best as I could get it. I'll show you some before and afters. I mean, I couldn't not get it paint 100% perfect, but it is a lot cleaner. Now the wheels are a lot cleaner. As you can see, the front ones look impeccable now. I might have to get a new hood. There's a lot of blemishes, a lot of cracks, a lot of sap on this hood, so I might have to end up getting a new hood. But overall, this car has come out quite good. I'm excited to go drive it. I'm excited to ride it. I'm excited to just scoot around town, and honestly, it's going to be a cool car to build for sure. So if you guys would like to see more content on it, would you please leave a like and a comment? I'd sincerely appreciate it. This car has a long way to go. We need lips, wheels, tint, wrap, maybe bags, who knows? What do you guys want to see? Because this is going to be a fun build. And a huge shout out to the guys over at German Motorworks up in Spindale, North Carolina. They killed it. They did a M20 swap, stock engine swap, and a 5-speed swap in this thing, as well as installing some Bilstein shocks and some H&R lowering springs. So go check them out up in Spindale if you're in the area and you need your E30 rebuilt, or if you're in Charlotte and you need your E30 rebuilt. Those are the guys to go to for sure. So if you guys would, leave a like and a comment. This has been one of my favorite videos. I've made it in a long time, so you guys better be ready for some more car content, as well as some side-by-side content coming soon. So see you guys next time.